Ever tried taking leftover brisket and making something next level? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make smoky, cheesy, creamy elotes with brisket. It's a Mexican street corn with a barbecue twist. And I think once you try this, you'll want to have it at every one of your cookouts. So let's fire it up. I'm bringing you up close and show you the ingredients. We got leftover chopped brisket, cilantro, Valentina, crema mexicana, la crema, cotija, corn, and some jalapenos. All wonderful ingredients ready to make elotes. Now, most people that grill corn, grill it, slap some butter on it, salt and pepper, and eat it. But I want to share with you another way with some spiciness, some creaminess, and that great barbecue flavor, the smoky part of it. And that's going to be our brisket elotes. So like I said, a lot of corn is just butter, salt and pepper, but we're going to make brisket elotes. And it's street corn with brisket and some other colors and seasonings like cilantro, tapatio, any of those kind of seasonings. And we hope you enjoy it. So if you got leftover brisket, this is a perfect way to create a crowd-pleasing side dish or even a full meal. So let me show you how to make this smoky, tangy, creamy magic right on the grill. So I am pulling all the silks and all the husk on these. On my other video, you saw where I cooked with the husk on, and you can do that as well. I just want the char of the corn from the grill. The grill's gonna be at a medium heat and probably around 350, 400 degrees. And we're just gonna rotate them every 3 to 5 minutes just to get that nice char on there and enjoy some good Mexican brisket elotes. Keep rotating these. They're starting to get a little char on them as they cook, and we will just keep cooking them and let them char a little more. They're starting to get finished up. You can see the color has changed to a brighter yellow. So we've let it cool down now, and we're just gonna cut this corn here, and then we're gonna put it in a bowl. All right, we're gonna add our corn to a 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of crema. And we're gonna stir it all together, add a little bit of cotija in addition, but we're gonna add this also as we layer it. I like to make them kind of like a parfait instead of mixing it all together. You could add your brisket right in here, your cilantro, your jalapenos, and mix it all together and serve it that way as well. So we're gonna mix this all up, and then we're gonna add a little bit of Valentin to this mixture, but I'm also gonna add this during the layer, and that's what we're gonna do next. So now we're gonna start seeing that you got colors. You got the cream, the color, the cut of the corn, and then also the char from the grill on this corn. And we're gonna layer this in here in the bottom of this clear cup so you can see how pretty this is. I'm gonna go ahead and add some brisket on top of that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of cilantro, cotija, jalapeno, and a little bit of crema, and then I'm gonna do one more layer. And you can see how all the colors are starting to come through, and this is how we'll serve it to our family and friends. Cilantro, cotija, a little bit of jalapeno, more chopped brisket, and a little bit of the crema. Now you can add as much crema as you want into the corn. If you want it creamier, that's fine. I don't typically do it just because I'm layering it like a elotes barbecue brisket parfait. And we'll just top it off, make it nice and pretty with a little bit of cilantro. And that is elotes barbecue brisket. So that magic time we were talking about, that chopped brisket, that smoky, tender flavor of chopped brisket. But you can do everything. You can do pulled pork, you can even make chicken, or this can be vegan. Just don't add any proteins. Add different things like mushrooms, you know, garlic, roasted garlic, things like that. Wonderful also. And I mean, it's a flexible recipe. This is the best part of it, in my opinion, is now you're looking at an elotes bar, like a taco bar, but it's elotes bar with brisket, chicken, pork, whatever you would like to do. You can do it, and people will love it. It's a life of the party, I promise you. People really like it. Again, a little cilantro, cotija, jalapeno. We'll top it off with a last bit of corn, elotes, and then we'll put a little bit of cilantro on top for pretty. So have fun with this. This is where it gets to be fun. Like I said, you can make this for a party and everything. You can just have a great time. You can put lime wedges, jalapenos, just make it a whole like elotes, brisket, pork, chicken, taco bar, and keep it also vegan for those vegan friends of ours. So please enjoy it. It's a wonderful little parfait. If you do it in clear glasses, people enjoy it. They can see the colors, and it's just a fun way of doing it. You're gonna get the smoky from the brisket, the creamy of the corn, the elotes, the tanginess of the Valentin, which I'm gonna put some on right now, a little more. And you can do this. It's a party favorite around here because there's so many different ways that people can make this, and they love to make their own flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this with some brisket in it. Oh man. are delicious. So good. That tanginess, that smoky of the brisket, the creaminess of the elotes, and that flavor of the corn that's been grilled and kind of burnt a few kernels. Just an amazing, amazing dish. So good. I've made lots of barbecue sides over the years, and this one always gets people excited. It's familiar and unexpected, and it's super easy once you grill your corn. You can scale this from 2 to 20 people, and it never misses. It's one of those signature recipes everybody requests. And honestly, it's one of my favorites too. All right, I wanna know, are you team brisket elotes, or you wanna change it up a little bit? Let me know your twists in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more barbecue ideas, recipes, and tips. I have plenty more coming. So until next time, keep your fire hot, keep your food delicious, and keep your friends close. We'll see you on the next one.